Okay, now we're going to take a look at how we can make our own classes from constructor functions. So on the left, you see we have our old constructor function, the person constructor. And then on line 12, I initialized it. How can we convert these into a class? Okay, we can do class, person, followed by curly braces. Remember, for classes, you do not put the arguments here like that. Okay, inside of the curly braces, we're going to use a special keyword called constructor, and this will call its constructor method. So whatever that you put inside of this constructor, it will only run once. Every time it creates a new object, it runs whatever's inside this constructor just once. So that's why you will see a lot of people putting their this assignments inside of this constructor, like so. Okay. Just like that. And I'm also going to put the rest method in here as well. Let me make it look a little bit nicer. Okay, and let's make this person 2 so the names don't collide. Okay, and then I'm going to create a new instance of person 2, and this will be Phil 2. Okay, so we have Phil and we have Phil 2. You see how both of these are exactly the same? Cool, huh? Now, if we open up Phil 2, we see that it has the rest method. But what if we want this method to go on the prototype instead? How do we do that? We know that for normal constructor functions, we can just do something like Phil.prototype, right? And then put it on the prototype. But for class, we can actually just delete the this keyword. Let me copy all of this. Now, for classes, if you put a function outside of the constructor, so outside of this, it will automatically put it on the prototype. But there's one thing you have to be careful for. It has a new syntax. Okay? So your syntax will no longer have the keyword function. It will just have the name that you want for that function, followed by curly braces. And then inside you can put whatever you want. So let's check this out. So now if we put Phil 2, we no longer see the rest method on the object. Let's check the prototype. Yep, it's on there. Okay. Now, if for some reason you forgot the syntax, right? And you say function rest, let's see what happens. Unexpected identifier, okay? So you cannot use the function keyword. What happens if you just do rest equals function like this? Oh, it looks like it works. Let's see. So it worked, but not properly, right? Because now the rest method lives on the constructor itself and not on the prototype. So remember, if you want it on the prototype, there must be no function keyword like this. Let's check again. Nope, not here. Check prototype. Yep, right here. Okay, let's move on.